Hey YouTube family, this is Christy here on Sparkle Channel, and today I want to show you another art process of mine using, again, a hot glue gun. But I made this key frame. It kind of looks like a book cover to me. I used shoe polish that gives you that really cool antique look. So I want to try it on something else this time. I have some cardboard, scrap paper, glue, hot glue gun, and other things like that. So come along with me and I hope you enjoy. Hey guys, there you have it as my second attempt at my little key design. I like it. I like how the shoe polish came out, and I think it was really fun to do overall. I would probably do like maybe one more coat of gold, but I think it's fun. You could do like a book cover like this, or just a frame, or even put like a little quote in the back somewhere. I think there's so many possibilities with this design and this way of experimenting. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me, and come back for more. We'll be posting regularly, and just have fun. I really enjoy recreating things, and I hope you enjoy watching. Thanks guys, have a great day, stay safe.